Stop learning Python just to build simple calculators. If you want to break into cybersecurity, you need to learn how to build your own hacking tools. Welcome to the Python for Cybersecurity 1-month Bootcamp, hosted by the Cyber Vendetta. Starting this May, we are skipping the boring theory and diving straight into practical project-based code. In just 4 weeks, you won't just learn basic Python syntax, you're going to build 5 real-world security tools from scratch. We are talking about automated network sweepers, command and control servers, directory bruteforcers, and your very own custom hash cracker. You'll learn exactly how attackers think, so you can build better defenses. Classes are completely online and held on weekends, making it perfect for your schedule. We cover everything from the absolute basics to advanced script automation. The fee for the entire month is just a discount price of 45,000 Naira. It's time to stop playing with pre-made tools and start engineering your own. Classes kick off this May. Click the link below to register and secure your spot today. Let's build.